You should definitely hire a window professional to put your windows in. Now, selfishly, I'm saying that because I want you to hire me, but there are a lot of tips and tricks, as with any type of trade, to putting a window in right. And manufacturers are getting much more specific in their warranty instructions and their warranty details, that if there are pieces that are missed during the installation process, that your warranty won't be valid. Another thing to consider is if it's a remodeling application, measuring windows so that they fit, so you don't have to do drywall and a lot of trim on the exterior, those kinds of things, is very complicated. Window manufacturers don't have standards amongst themselves for standard sizes. So putting in a measuring a 30-year-old window, that window was put together much differently than the way that windows are put in today. And so they're manufactured differently. They might go in the same opening, but how they come in on the inside to where the casing and some of the trim goes is going to be much different. And so you need to make sure that they're measured properly so that when they go in the hole, they're going to fit, and they're going to you're not going to have to do drywall or painting or redo a lot of trim work on the outside. The other thing to consider is putting on window casing is definitely a skill, and trim carpenters are very adept at making sure that the corners fit together tightly, that that everything works together there. There's also procedures as the window is going in, as far as flashings and tapes and sealants, that need to be done to make sure that any moisture that does get in the wall cavity is able to get out, and that you've taken care of all of the different flashings and in order to protect the window itself. So I would definitely hire a window professional to do windows. It's one of those things that it's probably not a call your buddies and have them help you throw your windows in. There's just a lot of details that need to be considered.